Hello guys, back again with me in the tutorial Premiere Pro. Today I will tell a tutorial how to stabilize your shaky video. So let's get start to the tutorial. First, drag your video or footage to the projects panel. After that, click on your video to set where the video starts and where the video ends. Click mark in to start or click mark out to the ends. If done, drag your video to the timeline. Make sure your video it's really shaky because we need to cover it. Then go to Effect panel. Search name of the effect is Warp Stabilizer. Then drag the effect to your video and the video will be analyzing your video, and wait until the loading is done. After done, your video is already stabilized. Look to the effect control. Change the smoothness to 60%. After that, your video will be stabilized, but you must click enter to render it. All is done as you can see before stabilize and after. Now, we have to export this video. Go to File menu and click Export and click Media. Wait until export setting are open. If was open, click on Checklist Export Audio, because I don't need it. After that, click Export and wait for the loading until finished. So guys, this is the tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, follow my Instagram link in the description below. Comment if you have any question or next tutorial Premiere Pro. Like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.